in today's video, me and my friend Goated VR explored the brand new Animal Company April Fool's update, and we found some brand new stuff. We found a new item that's probably going to be very rare, and later in this video, I actually gave my friend an April Fool's prank that he totally fell for. So make sure you stick till the end so you can watch me prank my friend. Alright, now, on to the video. We're playing the new Animal Company April Fool's update, and they already changed like the beginning screen, which was like rainbow text. And I'm actually scared. What did they do? What is that? Yo, wait, what happened to my... Wait, what is that? Is that an ad?
Bro, just say you always just take stuff that I take.
Yeah, is that an ad?
It's good.
Is there a freaking ad? Why are there ads in this game? They ruined the game, bro.
How do you get like cheese and stuff?
I don't know, I just found it on the picnic table. Alright guys, I'm joined here with Goated VR, and we're gonna be checking out this April Fool's update.
Oh, they took this out. Wait, can you like... Okay, yeah, so they took that out.
Is that like a limited time thing? I feel like this might be a rare item. The sneaky...
They added another I don't remember there being a picnic table here, guys.
There always was.
I do not remember there being a
I think
picnic
you had the
table here.
schizophrenic update.
Crap, I missed.
Oh my god! Why are there so many ads?
Just camping.
Oh my god, the pop!
How many ads?
The pop-ups.
Bro, I got like 5 ads.
Bro, the pop-ups, I got like...
There was a Yeeps ad. There was a Yeeps ad. It's like
Bro, just let me tag you!
What?
I'm gonna short on you. I'm gonna short on you.
Go! Oh, he got 2.
Oh my god. Oh my god, wait, let me. Let me this. No. 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 No, wait, there's dragon. You're just so lucky. I like my cheese solid, bro. Ah. Get away from me! No! No! Oh, I found it. Wait, I'm stuck. No! No! I can't believe. Wait, 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 why did you don't click X on top of that? Because you think it's more important. Oh my god! I got 6 pop-ups.
I'm so done with this guy.
I like my cheese drippy, bro.
I'm so done with this guy right now. Did you go to a map? Yo, wait, dude. There's a new secret.
What?
So, you're by the water, right? But there's actually a secret. Follow me.
Bad.
So, because
thought-
it's
okay.
April Fool's Day, they decided to open up the water area. So you just want to go over here. You just want to follow me, okay?
Yeah, I saw this, but like, I didn't.
No, dude, there's
I
actually
went
like,
over here.
so
I do
there's
not
actually
believe you.
no, there is. I literally looked it up. It's on YouTube. There's like a brand new Animal Company like map. It's called the cheese room, and you could like just grab
The cheese room?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
If you walk into it though, you get the cheese touch. So just jump in here.
Jump in where? Oh, is that the one where you could get the
Jump in the middle. I'm in the new map. Yeah, so you jump in the middle. You jump right on the new map. I'm in the new map. Just jump right. Just wait right there. So you see that really far like rock?
So see, I can into the land, into whatever far, the trees. You just have to jump in, right there. You just have to jump in. It's right there.
I'm just gonna use some jetpack. I'm gonna use like a jetpack and let's get a grappler too. I thought it was gonna be like a Minecraft update, and
Did you
I
go
died.
in?
but no, I died.
April Fools!